Two leaders in online accounting. One winner, Wave versus Zoho Books. Which one truly helps your business thrive? On the left, Wave, the go-to choice for freelancers craving simplicity. On the right, Zoho Books, a powerhouse promising customization for all your business needs. We're going beyond just features, putting both to the test in pricing, invoicing, automation, ease of use, customer support, and more. Let's cut through the hype and focus on what really matters to your business. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll have a clear, unbiased winner. And trust me, the outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, let me just lay out the categories we're going to put these apps head-to-head in. Pricing, features, ease of use, integrations, and finally, compliance and support. Yep, we're covering the stuff that actually matters. Let's start with probably everyone's favorite topic, pricing. So, Wave, yeah, it's free. Like for real, not that sneaky free trial stuff. You get unlimited users, no upgrade nagging, but heads up, they make money when you use payments or payroll, so that part isn't totally free. Now, Zoho Books, way more traditional. There's no forever free plan, and while their paid tiers are pretty affordable, if your team starts growing, the costs can sneak up on you. So, bottom line, Wave definitely wins on pricing if you want no monthly bill, but Zoho's plans aren't pricing if you want no monthly bill, but Zoho's plans aren't bad for what you get. Moving on to features, and whoa, this is where things really tip. Wave is, the basics, invoices, simple reports, some receipt scanning, but that's about it. No inventory, no time tracking, definitely no automations. Zoho Books, on the other hand, it's basically like accounting software on steroids. Inventory management, check. Project billing and time tracking, check. Advanced reporting, automations, all that good stuff, yeah. Downside, setting up can be a bit much. But if you want all the tools, honestly, Zoho's on another level. So Zoho Books is the clear winner. Now for ease of use. I gotta say, Wave nails this. When you log in, it's just so clean. No accounting terms that make your eyes glaze over, just plain English everywhere. There's not much to get lost in, which is partly because there aren't a ton of features, but still. Zoho Books, the interface is actually really modern, and they let you customize templates and stuff. But tell you what, once you get into the advanced menus, it gets intimidating fast. If you're new to accounting or you like things super straightforward, Wave is definitely your friend. And it takes the point here. Oh, quick fun fact. Did you know Wave actually started out as just a free invoicing tool in Toronto? Kinda wild how far it's come. Next up, integrations. And this one's a bit one-sided. Wave connects to your bank and a few payment processors, but that's mostly it. Not a ton of third-party apps. Zoho Books though? Oh, and here's something cool. If you use any other Zoho products, it just all plugs in. Plus, you've got a strong API and access to like 500 plus integrations. The one thing, a lot of these integrations are also Zoho apps, so you're kind of pushed into their ecosystem. Still, Zoho Books is way ahead on integrations. No contest. Alright, now for compliance and support, which I know is never the fun bit, but it matters. Wave does the basics for taxes, mostly in the US and Canada, and they do decent help articles. But there's no audit trail, and if you like having someone to call, support is kinda limited. Zoho Books though, this is where you see the difference between free and pro. We're talking global tax compliance, detailed permissions, actual audit logs, and yes, phone and live chat support. Some of the fancier stuff is locked for pricier plans, but for peace of mind, Zoho wins hands down right here. If you could see this as a radar chart, honestly, Zoho Books nearly fills the whole thing, especially on features and integrations. Wave only beats Zoho flat out on pricing and simplicity, nowhere else. So let's break it down. Wave is seriously a blessing if you are just freelancing, working solo, or if spending money on accounting feels like a crime. Zoho Books, that's your move if you're getting bigger, or if you need time tracking, inventory, workflows, you name it. For most business owners wanting to really level up, you kinda can't beat what Zoho is packing. But those monthly bills add up, so pick what fits your needs best. Hey, was this comparison actually helpful? Smash that follow so you don't miss our next reviews. I promise I'll keep it honest.